How to fix Photoshop running slow on Windows. 1. Exit your Photoshop or restart your computer. 2. Disable the auto show the home screen. 3. Resize new document window. And enable use legacy new document interface. 4. Ensure you have enough RAM. Or try reconfiguring memory. Usage for year PS. 5. Increase history states and lower cache levels. 6. Check if you're using corrupt preferences. If so, launch Reset Preferences on Quit in Photoshop's General tab. 7. Update your outdated Photoshop. 8. Free up hard drive space. 9. Free up resources by launching the Purge option in your PS. 10. Remove external display from your PC. 11. Save your files on local drives. 12. Clear clipboard. Hint, you may turn off the export clipboard option.